Hey everyone, just making a quick video recreating a PB that I got in a 3x3 yesterday, which was 11.614 seconds. This is my first ever sub 12 solve. I'd only ever gotten one sub 13 before this, so this was really significant for me, which is partly why I'm making this video, not because it's that amazing a time, but it is for me. And I just wanted to also I guess make a record of how far I've come, because I've really only started my cubing journey about 9 months ago. So this is the Scramble. I'll put it on the screen, and you're welcome to give it a try yourself. All right, so here it is. Now I am not color neutral, so I started on white, and I instantly noticed red and blue were positioned really nicely with green on the back. Just needed to move orange to the side by a D prime, and that would allow me to get all of my edge pieces in really easily. So my first move was this, to get orange over there, red, blue, B2 to get green in, and then a D prime to orient everything. And instantly, I'm not sure how, but I saw this pair, so set that pair up and put it in. And as I did that, I noticed that that corner piece was at the top, the edge piece is in, so I just did a triple sexy on the back right, 2, 3 to insert that. Doing that, I noticed this pair, and that was an easy one too, getting that in. And then doing that, I noticed this edge needed to go in there, and the corner was already in. So I did this Avg, which I learned from JPerm, which allows me to put it in without any rotations. Doing that, notice that went straight to a Soon or a Sune, and solved. So it was a pretty lucky solve that I got with a PLL skip and also a rotationless F2L stage, but I was still really happy with it. How quickly that I spotted all of the pairs, and just how smooth it was. So let me give it a go again. So at speed, something like this. And there you have it. So I still have a long way to go if I'm aiming for those really crazy speeds, but this is a really good time for me. I'm very happy with it, and yep, there it is.